Hello everyone, this is Anjali Wahingbom and you're watching Imoinu Live Top 20 News. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma visited Vishwanath and Lakhimpur district today. In the morning, he visited historic Behali Kali Mandir and offered prayers at the feet of Ma Kali for the well-being of the people of Assam. Behali Kali Mandir is believed to have been set up to save our society from the scourge of cholera. People began worshipping the idol at the temple in 1913 after the epidemic was over. The state government will resolve pending salaries issue of the employees of Hindustan Paper Corporation Limited as informed by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati have developed a flexible, non-stretchable and environment-friendly water-repellent material that can be used for real-time monitoring of human movements. Wearable motion sensors are used for physiological monitoring of human movements for gait analysis, understanding human and machine interactions, and monitoring patients during rehabilitation processes. In broad daylight today, approximately 200 wild elephants have come out from the forest at Jamunasid of Hojai district. All the villagers were in fear to see them in daytime, but it was unaware that the people of the forest department were extending their helping hand in this regard, as our Hojai reporter Samurai Latpam Hemanta Sharma stated. Assam Public Service Commission summoned 22 new accused in APSC Cash for Job scam case. The copy server process has been completed today and the charge frame will be held on October 25. An earthquake of magnitude 4.3 hit 623 north of Lachung area of North Sikkim district at around 9:04 am, latitude 33.29 and longitude 89.07, depth 10 km today, as tweeted by the National Center for Seismology. A passenger who tried to smuggle gold by hiding it in his rectum was arrested at Imphal Airport today. The Central Industrial Security Force identified the metal inside him while frisking, and they found 4 packets of yellow metal paste weighing 909.68 grams. 19 Bangladeshi nationals were apprehended by the Border Security Force from the international border area in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills district. The trespassers include 13 males, 3 females, 3 children and 2 touts. Dimapur-based civil society organizations served an ultimatum to the Chief Minister of Nagaland, Naiphiu Rio, to cancel the Home Department's order dated 7 September and all other orders and notice with regard to shifting of Deputy Commissioner's office to Chumukedima. Tripura High Court has served a notice to BJP LED state government over restrictions imposed on holding of rallies and public meetings by political parties in Agartala till November 4. As part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Kohima Smart City Development launched a week-long Kohima City Carnival to celebrate 75 years of independence. The regulatory body under the Department of Pharmaceuticals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India, National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority has committed to ensure affordability and accessibility of medicines by fixing the ceiling price for scheduled formulations and monitoring the prices of non-scheduled formulations. Government approved continuation of the National Export Insurance Account Scheme and capital infusion of Rs 1,650 crore grant in aid to National Export Insurance Account over a period of 5 years, that is from fiscal year 2021 to 2022 to fiscal year 2025 to 2026. Addressing at the 5th National Conference on Tobacco or Health, Governor of Punjab Banwari Lal Purohit has complimented the efforts of Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research in maintaining the momentum of tobacco control in the country in the challenging times of the COVID-19 pandemic, and assured support from the administration towards galvanizing tobacco control efforts in Chandigarh. The National Human Rights Commission, headed by Justice Arun Kumar Mishra, has issued an advisory to the centre, states and union territories for protecting the rights of persons engaged in manual scavenging or hazardous cleaning. Ahead of the Bhabanipur by-poll tomorrow, 20 additional companies of Central Armed Forces will be deployed in the constituency. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, the Taliban regime has written a letter to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation and urged to resume commercial flights of Afghanistan, as the Directorate General of Civil Aviation had suspended all commercial flight operations to Kabul post-August 15 takeover of Afghanistan by the Taliban. Pakistan appeared to be facing difficulties in providing assistance to the Taliban-led government, as the Afghanistan regime is yet to be recognized by the international community. Philippines boxing legend Manny Pacquiao officially hangs up his gloves. The 8th Division World Champion and Philippines Senator announced his retirement from the ring. And today's Assam COVID-19 update: total positive cases 366, recovery rate is 98.28%, and total death cases 7. That's the end of Top 20 News. Thank you for watching.